This is exactly how I was able to fix Minecraft Mobile and error occurred. So basically what I had to do is that I had to close the Minecraft app, and instead I went to the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. And then I just scrolled down, and then I clicked on general here, and then I clicked on storage here, as you can see. And now we're just gonna wait for all of the apps in here to load, as you can see, and it's going to load down there as well. And when it's done, we're just gonna swipe up like this now and click on search. Then just search for Minecraft and click on the Minecraft app, and then click on Offload app, and once again in here click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for it to load. You can see it still says Offload app, but it's going to say reinstall app here in a couple of seconds, and when it does, we're just gonna click on that button. So now it says reinstall app, so just click on it, and then just simply wait for the Minecraft app to completely update to its latest version. Because sometimes when they release like a new version, we need to be able to get it to make sure that all of the bugs that is on the previous version is going to be fixed. So try this and then go back, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.